In this video, we'll dive into how to use survey forms for customer retention insights, something that can directly boost your business growth. If you're looking to understand your customers better and keep them coming back, this is the video for you. Customer retention isn't just about keeping your current clients happy, it's about understanding their needs and continuously improving. One of the best ways to do this is through survey forms. With the right approach, survey forms can unlock valuable insights into why your customers stay loyal and what might make them leave. So, let's talk about how to use them effectively. First, you want to focus on the right questions. It's not just about asking, how satisfied are you? You need to ask questions that reveal insights about the customer journey. Think along the lines of, what do we do that keeps you coming back? What would make you leave? These are open-ended questions that will give you raw, actionable data. Now, let's make sure you're reaching the right people. Send out your surveys to your active customers, the ones who have engaged with your product or service recently. This will give you more relevant and actionable feedback. If you send a survey to someone who hasn't interacted with your business in months, their answers won't be as valuable. Once you've gathered the responses, it's time to analyze the data. You're looking for patterns. Maybe most of your customers value customer service, or perhaps they want better pricing. Identifying trends in their feedback will tell you where to focus your retention efforts. If a lot of your customers say they leave because of high prices, that's a clear sign it's something you need to address. Next, let's talk about timing. Don't just send out surveys randomly. Timing matters a lot. If you send them too early in the customer lifecycle, they might not have enough experience to give helpful feedback. On the other hand, waiting too long means you might miss the opportunity to make quick changes based on their feedback. A good rule of thumb is to send surveys after a key interaction, like after a customer makes a purchase or after they've interacted with your support team. When you're designing the survey itself, keep it short and easy to complete. People are more likely to fill it out if it's quick, but make sure it still allows for valuable feedback. Try to limit your survey to 5 to 10 questions and avoid making it too long. You can always send follow-up surveys if you need more detailed information. A quick tip to increase your survey response rate: offer an incentive. Discounts, freebies, or exclusive content for completing the survey can motivate your customers to participate, ensuring you get a higher response rate and more data to work with. Once you have all this data, what's next? Use it. Don't just store the feedback and forget about it. Use the insights to adjust your marketing strategies, improve your products or services, and fine-tune your customer support. If you identify that your customers care a lot about fast delivery, for instance, consider improving your shipping options. Here's the key takeaway. Survey forms are an incredibly valuable tool for gaining customer retention insights, but only if you use them strategically. Focus on the right questions, send them to the right customers at the right time, and then analyze the data to make real improvements. And remember, it's not just about asking questions, it's about acting on the answers. As a quick recap, you want to ask open-ended questions that give you insight into why customers stay, focus on active customers, analyze the data for patterns, time your surveys correctly, keep the survey short, and use incentives to boost response rates. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the software we've been using in this tutorial, and it's perfect for managing your survey forms and analyzing the data. Thanks for watching.